The connected Sun-Earth system is a vast volume of space. And for decades, space missions to investigate the Sun-Earth system were also massive. But a revolution is taking place a few hundred miles above our heads. Smaller, nimbler spacecraft are taking over for Earth observation. Literally swarms of spacecraft now populate low Earth orbit to monitor our planet. We need these smaller satellites and CubeSats to observe Earth and see how it is changing from vantage points in space. Although the Sun has been remarkably quiet in the past decade, our star follows an 11-year cycle with extremely active phases. Major space weather outbursts, such as coronal mass ejections, can really affect everything on and near Earth. So we need to better understand Earth's atmosphere, distinguishing between solar-induced changes and human-induced changes. We also need to advance research in our ionosphere and low Earth orbit to learn how it affects our communication systems, for example. And we still haven't fathomed our radiation environment yet, its effects on humans and on space systems around Earth. In 2020, COSPAR, the Committee on Space Research, set up a task group on establishing a constellation of small satellites to be part of this shift to small sats and to carry out the recommendations of the COSPAR scientific roadmap on small satellites for space science. The task group is a major player in this revolution, partnering with worldwide initiatives like the International Satellite Programme in Research and Education, a consortium of global universities advancing space science and engineering, and a source of small satellites for the constellation and capacity building opportunities. Work is also underway with a new subgroup dedicated to radiation belt measurements. This will take advantage of multiple satellites to increase both time and spatial resolutions to understand the dynamics of Earth's radiation belts. We're well on the way to building a dedicated constellation of scientific satellites to address these vital issues for humankind.